Hello little artists, I'm Mariana Olsen and today we're drawing Bingo from Bluey. Are you ready?
Let's do this!
Okay, we're gonna need paper, something to color with. I'm using markers and something to draw with. I will use a black marker that you can change for a pencil. Hello little artists, today my daughter Valentina is here with me. Vale, you wanna say hi?
Hi!
Valentina and I were gonna draw a Bingo from Bluey, and this is gonna be an easy lesson for little artists. We're gonna start the picture. We're gonna use crayons, and this time we're gonna take turns. We're gonna be using black, yellow, orange, and brown. So we're gonna start the picture on the right side, and the first thing we're gonna do is the nose. So we're gonna do a little circle for the nose. Next, we're gonna take the brown color. Okay, we're gonna be switching back and forth. With the brown color, we're gonna do a line that goes down from the nose. And then from the other side of the nose, I'm gonna go around and do a smile.
Wait, Mama? This looks like chocolate. It looks like chocolate.
It does look like chocolate a little.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm going back to the black, and the next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna leave a space after the nose, and I'm gonna do the first eye. So I'm gonna go around, connect with the line I just did here, and we're gonna do the eye with a half a circle, and I'm gonna fill it with black.
La 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 a da da na 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 a la da da na 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 na.
Good job. Now on the space we have here, right after the smile, and next to the other eye, we're gonna do another circle, and this circle is gonna be bigger.
A lot bigger.
A lot bigger, and we're gonna do the same thing, half a circle and black inside.
If you mess up, it's fine. You can just restart or just go with your path.
Good job. Okay, now we're gonna go back to the brown color, and now I'm gonna do the body of Bingo. So I'm gonna start doing on top of the nose. We're gonna do a line that goes up, and then we're gonna do a curve that goes over the eyes and comes back down. Now we go over and come back and close with the mouth. Okay?
Yeah. Yes.
Now we're gonna do the ears, and the ears come like this. It goes up and down, up and down, and inside we're gonna do a second triangle. Okay? So 2 triangles there. Good job. Okay, next we're gonna do the hands. So for the hands, we're gonna do a line that goes from here, and we're gonna do kind of like 3 curves. 1, 2, 3, and you fill those with brown. Now we're gonna do the other hand coming out of his mouth, and we're gonna go 1 line and the same. 1, 2, 3.
That was 3 here.
From the kind of like from the mouth. Good job. Now we're gonna do the first leg. The first leg is gonna be on the right, and we're gonna go down, and now we're gonna do kind of like half a circle and close. Now the next leg is gonna be bended, so it's gonna look like this. Look at it, it's kind of like curve up, and now I'm gonna do a curve and come back. Good job. Now the last detail we're gonna do with brown is the tail, and the tail is just gonna be a curve and come back. Perfect, yeah. Now I'm gonna go to the orange color, and from the orange color we're gonna use this to trace around, kind of like from where the ear is. I'm gonna trace a line here, And then this line comes in behind the eye. And the second line, like this, it's a curve and a curve. And now I want to do the same thing here. We're gonna do a curve over his eye, over her eye.
Yeah, Bluey is a boy.
Next, we're gonna do the tummy down here. And for the tummy, we're gonna do a curve like this. And the last curve we're gonna do is here on the tail. We're gonna do a little curve.
Oh, that's cute.
And the last one, and we're gonna do one more. Here in the middle of the eye, we're gonna connect with the mouth like this. And there, that's it. We finished this picture of Bingo, and stay at the end of the video so you can see how we use the colors. And now my favorite part is coming, and that is,
let's color.
Okay, little artists, we are done. This is how the picture turned out now with all the colors. It's hard to find the exact colors of the character in crayons, but this is very close. So we use brown here on the top and of the ears, we use the orange on her body, and we use yellow for the rest of the body parts. So I hope you liked this lesson and it was easy for you to follow. And remember, if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss lessons step by step like this one. See you next time.